Fact 1. The Milky Way was not always big as it is today. It became its current size and shape by eating up other galaxies like Sagittarius dwarf galaxy and is still doing so today. The Canis Major dwarf galaxy is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way and its stars are being added to the Milky Way. Fact 2. Our galaxy is pretty huge. It is about 10 to the power 18 kilometers across. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 1 lakh years to get from one side to the other. Fact 3. The Milky Way moved through space at a velocity of about 552 kilometers per second. That's too fast. Fact 4. The Milky Way has between 100 to 400 billion stars. But when you look up into the night sky, the most you can see from any one point on the globe is about 2,500. This number is not fixed, because the Milky Way is constantly losing stars through supernova, and producing new ones all the time. If you think this number is too large for our galaxy, then think of the largest known galaxy, IC 1101. It has 100 trillion of stars. Fact 5. Most larger galaxies have a supermassive black hole at the center. And the Milky Way is no exception to it. The center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius, a massive source of radio waves that is believed to be a black hole. That measures 225 million kilometers across, about the size of Mercury orbit. Fact 6. The Milky Way has somewhat 100 to 200 billion planets. Based on a new study, it is believed that there is at least one planet for every star floating out there. Fact 7. Our galaxy contains the cloud Sagittarius B2. It is an enormous cloud that contains 10 billion liters of alcohol. It could also smell like rum and taste like raspberries because it contains ethyl fumate. Fact 8. There is an equation known as the Drake equation, which is used to estimate how many possible intelligent societies could reside in our Milky Way. Using this equation, it is believed that up to 15,785 alien societies could be existing in our galaxy. Fact 9. Every picture you have seen of the Milky Way from above is either another galaxy or an artist's interpretation. Currently, we cannot take the picture of the Milky Way from above. This is due to the fact that we are inside the galactic disk, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. It would be like trying to take a picture of your own house from the inside. This means that any of the beautiful pictures you ever seen of a spiral galaxy, that is of another spiral galaxy, or the rendering of a talented artist. Fact 10, and at last the most terrifying fact about our galaxy. There is an area in space that is pulling our galaxy at a speed of 22 million kilometers per hour. This area has been dubbed the Great Attractor, and what it is and what it is made of is still a mystery to the scientists.